Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get exhibition passes in Heartopia. So, let's get started. Now, if you're trying to get exhibition passes in Heartopia, there are only a few official ways, and unfortunately, there's no way to grind them infinitely. The first way is through promo codes. From time to time, Heartopia releases codes that give free rewards, including exhibition passes. So make sure you follow Heartopia's official social media pages so you don't miss out on any active codes. The second way is by checking your in-game mail. So just open up your watch menu, scroll down, and check your mailbox right over here. Occasionally, the developers send out exhibition passes as community rewards or compensation, but this doesn't happen every day, but it's still worth checking your mailbox regularly. And the third way is through in-game events. Some limited time events reward exhibition passes when you complete certain tasks or milestones. So always look at the event rewards before skipping them because this is one of the few free ways to actually earn passes. Now, the last option is buying them with heart diamonds. Heart diamonds are mainly obtained by spending real money. So, if you want exhibition passes instantly, this is currently the only guaranteed method. And that's about it. Right now, there's no fast grind method for exhibition passes, only codes, mail events, or purchases. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.